Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook healthy meals. To begin, focus on selecting whole, unprocessed ingredients. These provide the most nutrients and energy for your body. Prioritize lean proteins like chicken or fish, complex carbohydrates such as quinoa, and healthy fats from avocados or olive oil in every meal. Learning simple cooking techniques like steaming or baking will help preserve these vital nutrients and enhance the natural flavors of your food, making healthy eating enjoyable and sustainable. A well-stocked pantry is key to consistent healthy eating. Ensure you always have a colorful array of fresh vegetables and fruits, aiming for at least 5 servings daily. Select lean protein sources such as chicken breast, various types of fish, and plant-based options like beans and lentils. Replace refined grains with whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. Finally, incorporate healthy fats from sources like avocados, a handful of nuts, a tablespoon of seeds, and a drizzle of olive oil. Mastering a few healthy cooking techniques can transform your meals. Opt for baking, grilling, steaming, or stir-frying, which require minimal added fats compared to deep frying. Instead of relying heavily on salt, enhance flavors with a variety of fresh herbs, aromatic spices, and a squeeze of citrus. Consider preparing meals in larger batches once or twice a week. This saves valuable time and ensures you always have nutritious options readily available. Remember to measure ingredients accurately to maintain proper portion control. Effective meal planning is crucial for long-term success in healthy eating. Take some time each week to plan your meals, which helps prevent impulsive, unhealthy food choices. When serving, use smaller plates. This simple trick can visually make your portions appear larger, aiding in portion control. Pay close attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues to avoid overeating. Strive for a balanced plate with approximately 1/2 dedicated to vegetables, 1/4 to lean protein, and the remaining 1/4 to complex carbohydrates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.